Hey guys, how's it going? How to track watched shows on Amazon Prime Video. So, launch the app or visit the website. Make sure that you updated that to the latest version, and then go to my stuff, right, or your watch list tab. And this is often at the bottom of the app or in the menu of the on the website. And look for continue watching or recently watched section, which shows basically. Let me go back, right, which basically shows you the shows and movies you've been watching. You can manually add shows to your watch list for easy tracking by selecting the title and clicking on the add to watch list option. So let me know in the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.